Okay, so let's get started. We were having some issues here. Uh, Last week we did this stuff, I think on Thursday and Friday. You should know how to get the regression of a linear or an exponential function, right? So remind me, what do I do first to tell if this table is linear or exponential? Okay, subtract. See if the subtraction is the same. Let me get the right here. And we always do bottom minus top. So 48 minus 32 is 16. 72 minus 48 is 24. And you can already tell it's not the same. So that means it's not what? It's not linear, okay? Now, before we say it's exponential, we want to divide, okay? In the back. Hey, to the way. Okay, hey, to the way. So, hey, hey, put it away. Okay, so let's try dividing. Bottom divided by top. So 48 over 32. Now, all right, so 48 over 32 when we reduce. Okay, so bottom divided by top, 48 over 32. Let's do it in the calculator, and we get 3 over 2. And we'll do the same thing, 72 over 48. And then 108 over 72. Okay, 72 over 48 gives me the same thing. And 108 divided by 72 gives me the same thing, 3 over 2, 3 over 2. So again, subtracting did not give me the same common difference, but dividing did give me the same common ratio. So what do we call that? What do you think? Say it. You don't know? Yeah, you do. What is it? Say it. Exponential. Okay. Because the dividing was the same. Does everyone know that? When you divide, it's the same? Exponential? Yeah? Okay. Now, what do I press in the calculator? I go to spreadsheet and I type in the table and do menu 41A. Exponential is menu 41A. Does everyone know this from last week? Okay. Almost said last year. So new document, don't save, number 4, new spreadsheet, X and Y go at the top, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 32, 48, 72, 108. Okay, so I do all that and I press menu 41A. X is X, Y is Y. Now, even if you get a decimal like this, that's your answer, right? So exponential is A times B to the power of X, right? So A is 21.33 repeating. Actually, let's make sure we put Y equals 21.33 repeating times B, which is 1.5 to the power of X. Okay, is everyone able to get an exponential equation? Because if you didn't see, I'm telling you now, on Wednesday, we're going to have a test on exponentials. We recently did a quiz. It'll be a test, okay? It'll be longer. So you'll have today to start that review. Tomorrow you can finish it up and check it with the key, and then Wednesday we'll test. It's a lot of what we've been doing lately, so you should be all right, okay? Now, what about number 2? Let's try to subtract first again. 15 minus 8 is 7. 22 minus 15 is 7. So in subtracting, we got 7 each time. What kind of function is this? Linear. And if it's linear, you're not doing 41A, you're going to do menu 413, right? So we go to our calculator, we do a, so again, we pull it over, we do a new document, spreadsheet, X and Y go at the top. We're going to put in this table here. And then we do menu 413 for a linear equation. And we got our m and our b. So if m is 7 and b is 1, we're going to write y equals 7x plus 1. Okay? All right. Now, like I said, I'm going to pass out the review. Work on it today. Now, if before you finish this, before you start working on this review, I should say, the assignment from Friday, linear versus exponential mixed regression assignment, make sure you've done Friday's assignment. Turn that in, okay? If you have any other missing work, I'm going to put in all the grades. You'll have an update tomorrow, okay, with your quizzes and your missing grades. Because today the grade check grades are official, okay? I guess we were a day off on that one, whatever. All right, so again, you'll have an updated grade tomorrow with a progress report, and you'll be able to finish this tomorrow. But if you got missing work or your review, you got something to work on. Do not sit there and do nothing. You have a test on Friday. I want everyone to hear me. The only way to get a good test grade is to do your review. I make the reviews very similar to the test. Don't hurt yourself, because the tests are the biggest grade you can get. So might as well get a high test grade, so you've got to do the review. Okay, here we go.